This is my 80-year-old Logan lathe. In my last video, I said I was going to be going over it, showing you everything that it can do and the few problems that it does have. However, the motor that is on this thing is actually a 220 volt. Now, it is actually a 3-phase 220 volt with a converter, but either way, we don't have 220 in the shop, or at least an extra leg to use. I've got some stuff ordered on the way that should take care of this problem, but until then, it won't be able to run. But in the meantime, I need to figure out what to do with all this crap that it came with. I have a 4-jaw chuck, of course, with independent jaws, a 3-jaw chuck, a faceplate, the tool for the chucks, of course. I actually have 6 jaws for a 6-jaw chuck, but no chuck, which kind of sucks. The threading gears, obviously, a little carbide set, a bunch of high-speed steel blanks, some centering bits, some miscellaneous drill bits, and Morse taper bits, along with a dead center and this random tap. A few wrenches, this one is for the tailstock, along with a couple different Allens, a pretty hefty chuck and its key, and this is the key for the one that's on the tailstock now. Some other miscellaneous crap. The original threading chart, which I think is pretty cool. And some more quick change tool holders for the post that is on it currently. This one has a little knurler on it, which I think is pretty cool. And this is all just crap I had for my little lathe over there, which some of it will be going with it when I sell it. But I'll be keeping my cheap little indicator, probably need to get a better one of those, my carbide bits, my micrometer obviously, and this is just some random drill bits. But this is a whole lot of crap without really anywhere to put it, and I don't want to be one of those guys that just has a cluttered chip tray. So I'm going to build a shelf down here using some scrap wood I've got laying around. Alright, that worked out pretty good. I've got plenty of space down here to put crap. Now I just need to get all my crap organized. Alright, I think this looks pretty damn good. Got my chucks and my oil over here, dial indicator stuck up there. Got my cutting bits on the top drawer, tools and measuring devices on the second, drill bits down here, and just some miscellaneous cases and all the big stuff on the bottom. But it definitely feels pretty cool just to have a little lathe station over in the corner now. I need to put my clutch back in my truck. Hopefully all of my wiring stuff will come in the mail in the next coming days, so follow if you want to see how I wire it up. And then I can finally show what this thing can do.